Bass players, we're going to work a little bit on Kingsbridge March, starting at measure 26. Now, in Kingsbridge March, I want you to remember there is one sharp in the key signature, and that is F sharp. So on the D string, we would use fourth finger F sharp, but on the A string and on the E string, we would use a second finger because of the C natural and then the G natural. So if you look at measure 26, it starts on a G, which is second finger. I will demonstrate. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we just have to remember over on the E string and the A string that we have to use second finger because of the key signature. We're going to start at the end of 26. Put your bow in the middle because we have to start with a push bow. Set up your G and find your eyes on the music. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Over to second finger again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. One more time. Up bow start. 1, 2, 3. Half note. 1, 2, 3. Half note. At this point, we have a string crossing all the way over to the G string. Leave your bow in place. Just roll it over like a teeter-totter. Watch out not to make your bow go crooked. Keep that arm elongated. So we're going to do measure 29 to the first note of measure 30. Again, we're using second finger C natural, and then we have a quick bow adjustment over to the G. 1, 2, 3, 29. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. One more time. Do a bow lift, so we're starting down bow again. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Let's put that much together. Back from the end of 26, set up your second finger. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Over to G. 1, 2, 3. Look at measure 33. We're E to C natural to D to A. So we have to change strings every single note. Let's try that right there at 33. 3, 4. And then B, 2, 3. Let's do that again at 33. Check your fingers. Make sure they're going to stretch far enough. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. We're going to start at the end of 26, and we're going to play to the end of measure 35. Remember to count in your head for the long notes, and start with an up bow. Set your second finger. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Over to G. 1, 2. Over to second finger. 1, 2. If there were any spots that caused you problems, maybe circle that measure so you can practice that a couple times in a row. And also try to figure out if it was the rhythm or the notes that caused problems. We're going to play the same thing again, starting with the push bow or up bow. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, Now we're going to try 36, second finger for 3 counts G, and then C, D for the eighth notes at the end. Here we go at 36. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. C to A slur, over to G, to now E, G. One more time at 36. If your fingers are getting tired because it feels like you have to press so firmly, remember to lean your bass a little more forward, and then the weight of the bass will press the string against your fingers. 36. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, over to G. Basses, I want you to find measure 38. It's that second finger G, goes down to the E string and then back to the G. Okay, so let's try just that measure, and we're going to play the first note of 39 as well. So starting at 38 on second finger, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. One more time right there at 38. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. We're going to play starting at 36 all the way to the end of the line basses. Set up the G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. C, over to G here. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to put it all together, starting at the end of 26 on the up bow, playing to the end of measure 42. If you get lost, I will call out the numbers in the boxes, try to find your place again and come back in. Here we start on the up bow. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Coming up to 34, right here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You might have noticed I made a mistake in there at the end of measure 36. I played the wrong note, so I hope that didn't throw you off. We're going to play from the end of 26 down to 42. Don't worry if you make mistakes, just try to make a mental note of where it happened so you know where to work on for next time. Up bow start. Set your second finger and check your stretch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, That's the part I want you to be practicing and working on this week. Don't forget to be reviewing the first 3 lines up to 17 and just keep on working at it. You are making progress.